little bit tricky while standing on one foot. We also have to do twist and bind. Right, let's get started with me. Go to low lunge pose, right foot forward. So make sure before you do this pose, or if you want to practice this pose, please warm up to prevent injury. Right, now bend a right knee. So inhale, twist to the right. Try to bring left arm outside right knee. Take a while here. Deep inhale. You can twist more, or you can place left hand on the floor. Inhale. When you exhale, you can twist more. You can keep left foot flat, or you can tap to help you stay in balance. Now cross left hand under right thigh. You can help use right hand to help it. Cross. Now right hand back. You can either grab left wrist, or you can grab right wrist, no problem. Right, so from here, step left foot forward. Up. Lift right leg up. If you can, keep left leg straight and right leg straight forward. Bend your body. Stay here for a couple of breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Bend left knee. Bring right foot down. Release your bind and release your pose. Go to kneeling pose. Lengthen your spine. Move your shoulders forward and back, or you can twist. You can try for a couple of times, 2 or 3 times. Rest for 10 seconds. Then continue on the other side of your leg. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for practicing with me. And see you on the next pose. Namaste.